Mastering adjective plus noun collocations for formal writing. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into the world of adjective plus noun collocations, specifically focusing on their use in formal writing. Understanding these patterns will not only enhance your language skills but also give your formal writing a more polished and professional tone. Let's get started. Before we dive into specifics, let's briefly discuss what adjective plus noun collocations are. In simple terms, they are combinations of adjectives and nouns that naturally fit together and are commonly used by native English speakers. They can vastly improve the flow and cohesiveness of your writing, making it more natural and engaging. Now let's look at some examples that are particularly useful in formal writing. 1. Fundamental understanding. This refers to a basic, core knowledge about a topic. 2. Significant increase. This denotes a noteworthy rise in something. 3. Substantial evidence. This refers to a large amount of proof or support for a claim. 4. Severe consequences. This means serious results or outcomes. Remember, these collocations are established through habitual use, so they might not always be logical. The key is to learn and practice them as they are. Let's now use our examples in the context of formal writing. 1. The researcher had a fundamental understanding of the topic, which allowed him to interpret the data accurately. 2. The policy change led to a significant increase in customer satisfaction. 3. The argument was backed by substantial evidence, making it difficult to refute. 4. Ignoring these regulations could lead to severe consequences, including loss of license. As you can see, using these collocations makes your sentences sound more professional and fluent. It's now your turn to practice. Try to create your own sentences using these collocations and then incorporate them into a formal writing piece. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these collocations. That's all for today's video on adjective plus noun collocations in formal writing. I hope you found this information useful and that it will help you in enhancing your formal writing skills. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find these collocations becoming a natural part of your language use. Until next time, happy learning!